In this episode, join us as we sail down to Angelfish Creek to meet up with 3 of our buddy boats that are making the crossing with us to the Bahamas. It will be their first time. We have a last-minute repair the night before we are leaving and no place to get parts. We make the crossing and check in at Bimini and then immediately head to one of our favorite spots to stop, Gun Key, to get our toes in the sand and have some fun in the water. Then cross the Bahama Banks to Morgan's Bluff in Andros, aka the Big Yard.
Seal's got to go all the way down. Here.
I'm wondering if I can pull it off for you.
Man, you learn from women. That's real helpless.
He didn't learn that from this woman.
Oh, we need our grease.
That right there.
Okay.
Mike and John are putting a new shaft seal on the raw water pump for the generator. This is all we could do with what we have. The pump really needs to be replaced. Here we go.
Morning, sunshine.
Good morning, sunshine.
Wakey, wakey, America.
We've got Karen J on the Hatteras, Tammy Ann behind them, and John Grimm, who's pulling anchor, and then far in the distance, usual suspects, Ben, Kyle, and Paige, who will meet us up in a couple of days. We are headed round 2 of the Bahamas. Yay! Going out Angelfish Creek this morning. Sun hasn't even come up yet. Archie, are you ready? Are you ready to go back to Bahamas? Shorty 007? Bambino. For those who might not know, the yellow flag is the quarantine flag that is required when you are sailing into another country. After you check in, you take it down and put up that country's courtesy flag. We are always waiting to see that green flash. We are still waiting. Gun Key is less than 10 nautical miles south of Bimini and is an uninhabited island. There is a lighthouse on the south end of the key that was erected in 1836 and is 77 feet tall. You can do some hiking there, enjoy the beautiful beach and turquoise water. There are always stingrays and nurse sharks that come to visit. It's a great stop to wait for a good weather window to cross the Bahama Banks. Get in the bath. What are you getting ready to do?
Look silly.
Look like having fun. It looks cool. It matches the paddleboard. That's what's important to me. This is Mike's first attempt to learn how to wing foil. A good way to start is to add a centerboard to the paddleboard, and after you get the hang of the wing, you move up to the foil board. He's doing pretty good. Archie loves the sandy beaches of the Bahamas, if you couldn't tell.
Archie, I can see. Are you cold?
Feel good?
Cold.
There's the usual suspects. They caught up with us. We had great wind as we crossed the banks. We decided to do a non-stop to Andros and come in at night. The rest of the gang anchored a night on the banks and came in the next day. Someone once said, anchoring on the Bahama Banks, everyone should try it at least once.
I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just...
If you haven't ever stopped at Andros, you're missing out. It's a great family island, and it's the biggest island in the Bahamas, with the third largest barrier reef. They call it the Big Yard.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever. Forever.
This is perfect with the sun behind you.
I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Thanks so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button so we can see you next Thursday. And a special thanks to all of our subscribers who have already done that. It means a lot.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?